Oh, sneaking snore. Sneak to the bed and out. About change something. If he wakes up, if if you're not hiding when he wakes up, you're out. Uh-oh. No!